Welcome to 30 Amazon Black Friday Home and Kitchen Deals 2025, where this year's discounts are even hotter than last year's. From smart robots to premium cookware, we've picked the deals that actually matter in real life, not just on the product page. And yes, hidden in this list is a crazy 57% off offer on one product that feels almost like a pricing glitch. 1. Roborock Qrevo CurvX Robot Vacuum and Mop was $1,499.99, now $849.99 at Amazon. This robot vacuum maps your home, dodges cords, and even scrubs the floor so you don't have to sacrifice your weekend to dust bunnies. Strong suction, smart navigation, and auto-lift mop pads keep carpets safe and floors shiny. You're saving $650 here, about 43% off, which is wild for a high-end cleaning robot that basically works while you nap. 2. EGOHOME 14-inch king size memory foam mattress for back pain was $699.99, now $509.14 at Amazon. This king-size mattress is built to cradle sore backs with multiple foam layers that hug your pressure points but don't swallow you whole at night. Motion isolation means restless partners stay on their side of the drama. You're saving about $190, roughly 27% off, which is a big discount for better sleep and fewer cranky mornings. 3. Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker PRO 8.5 quart multi-cooker was $169.99, now $99.99 at Amazon. This multi-cooker replaces a slow cooker, Dutch oven, steamer, and more in one giant pot that lives on your counter full-time. Sear, braise, simmer, or keep warm without juggling pans or guessing times. Perfect for lazy meal prep lovers. You're saving $70 here, about 41% off, which beats grabbing takeout for the 10th time this week. 4. Ninja Indoor Grill and Air Fryer was $279.99, now $149.99 at Amazon. This indoor grill lets you get outdoor-style sear marks without setting off every smoke alarm in the neighborhood or freezing on the patio. Built-in thermometer and air fryer functions handle steaks, fries, and veggies in one compact unit. You're saving $130, roughly 46% off, which is a huge cut for a grill that lives on your counter year-round. 5. Vitamix 5200 blender was $549.99, now $299.95 at Amazon. This blender pulverizes frozen fruit, nuts, and ice into silky smoothies like it's nothing, and it can even handle hot soup straight in the jar without exploding. Simple controls, no fancy learning curve or app pairing. You're saving about $250, roughly 45% off, which is rare for a powerhouse machine that usually lives in pro kitchens and juice bars. 6. DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Automatic Espresso and Coffee Machine was $899.95, now $549.95 at Amazon. This espresso machine grinds, brews, and froths at the touch of a button, so you can retire from overpaying at coffee shops forever. Custom strength and milk foam give you cafe-style lattes in pajamas. You're saving $350 here, about 39% off, which makes daily cappuccinos feel a lot less guilty and way more Instagram-worthy. Even your half-asleep self can run it. 7. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo was $199.99, now $149.99 at Amazon. This extra-large air fryer oven handles whole chickens, pizzas, and trays of fries without crowding your tiny oven or burning the edges. French doors and presets keep things simple even for Burns Toast people. You're saving $50, around 25% off, which is solid for a machine that can basically host game day snacks alone while you watch. 8. Shark Upright Vacuum was $219.99, now $119.99 at Amazon. This upright vacuum tackles carpets, rugs, and pet hair without turning into a full workout session. Swivel steering and lift-away canister make stairs and corners way less annoying to clean. Built-in filtration helps with allergies too. You're saving $100, about 45% off, which is a strong deal for a workhorse vacuum, not a flimsy budget toy. 9. Instant Pot Pro 8 quarts 10-in-1 pressure cooker was $199.99, now $124.99 at Amazon. This 10-in-1 cooker pressure cooks, slow cooks, sautés, steams, and basically does everything except set the table and wash dishes. Large capacity makes batch cooking easy for families or serious meal preppers. Safety features keep it beginner-friendly. You're saving $75 here, about 38% off, which is impressive for a kitchen all-rounder that replaces several gadgets. 10. Breville Smart Oven, Air. Fryer Pro and Convection Oven was $399.95, now $299.95 at Amazon. This smart oven bakes, roasts, dehydrates, air fries, and even proof dough, using clever heating zones to avoid burned edges and raw centers on your food. It's like giving your small kitchen a brain upgrade. You're saving $100, roughly 25% off, which is a big drop on a premium countertop oven loaded with pro features. 11. HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 6-piece. Fry pan set was $399, now $318 at Amazon. This hybrid pan set gives you stainless steel durability with non-stick convenience, so eggs slide out but searing still gets that restaurant browning you want. Oven safe and induction ready means it fits nearly any setup or future upgrade. You're saving $81 here, about 20% off, which is nice for pans that promise to outlive your current stove. 12. Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer was $279.99, now $229.95 at Amazon. This glass front air fryer lets you watch your fries crisp up instead of guessing, and it doubles as a compact oven for wings, veggies, and midnight snacks. Non-toxic, dishwasher-safe parts keep cleanup easy and fast. You're saving about $50, roughly 18% off, which is handy if your regular oven takes ages to heat and hogs power. 13. Ninja Knife Set was $359.99, now $179.99 at Amazon. This knife set stays sharp thanks to built-in sharpening tech, so every time you dock a blade, it gets a quick tune-up automatically. You get all the essential sizes for chopping, slicing, and dicing without struggling. You're saving $180, a massive 50% off, which feels like buying one good set and secretly getting another for free. 14. Vitamix Propel Series 750. Blender with 4 blending programs was $629.95, now $369.95 at Amazon. This powerful blender handles smoothies, hot soups, nut butters, and frozen treats with pre-programmed settings that do the thinking for you on busy days. Variable speed gives more control when you want it. You're saving $260 here, about 41% off, which is a serious markdown for near commercial power parked right on a regular home counter. 15. King-size mattress was $289.99, now $213.43 at Amazon. This king-size mattress balances support and softness, so your back doesn't file complaints every single morning. Motion isolation helps when someone tosses around like a fish all night. Cooling features fight that overheated sleep feeling. You're saving about $76, roughly 26% off, which is a nice bonus for a bedroom upgrade you use every day. 16. T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set 17-piece was $269.99, now $179.99 at Amazon. This big cookware bundle covers almost every recipe, from sauces to stir-fries, without food cementing itself to the pan. Hard anodized material heats evenly and survives daily use from learning cooks. You're saving $90 here, about 33% off, which is huge for a full kitchen upgrade that makes old scratched pans look very sad. 17. McCook Knife Sets was $125.99, now $57.99 at Amazon. This knife block sneaks a sharpener into the stand, so every time blades go in, they stay ready for chopping marathons. You get all-purpose knives that actually cut tomatoes instead of crushing them. You're saving $68, around 54% off, which is a crazy drop for a full set that instantly upgrades any budget kitchen. 18. iRobot Roomba Plus 405 Combo Robot Vacuum was $799.99, now $399 at Amazon. This robot handles vacuuming and mopping in one pass. Dodging furniture while you pretend cleaning was always part of the plan. A self-emptying base means less bin dumping and more couch time. You're saving about $400.99 here, roughly 50% off, which is a massive discount for handing floor duty over to a smart helper. 19. Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven was $379.99, now $199.99 at Amazon. This countertop beast toasts, bakes, air fries, and roasts in one roomy chamber, so weeknight dinners move from chaos to organized crunch. Multiple rack positions make family-sized meals easier. You're saving $180, about 47% off, which is a serious cut for a machine that can replace your toaster, oven, and deep fryer in one shot. 20. Casabrew's Espresso Machine. 20 bar was $139.99, now $118.99 at Amazon. This compact espresso unit pushes strong pressure for rich shots and creamy foam without hogging counter space. A built-in frother lets you play barista with lattes and cappuccinos at home. You're saving $21 here, about 15% off, which makes daily coffee runs look a lot less tempting and your morning routine way more upgraded. 21. Kitchen in the Box. Stand mixer was $99.99, now $59.49 at Amazon. This small stand mixer is a lifesaver for tiny kitchens, whipping batter, dough, and cream without dominating your entire counter. Multiple speeds handle both gentle mixing and heavier recipes. You're saving about $40.50, roughly 40% off, which is a sweet deal if you've been mixing everything by hand and pretending your arm is a stand mixer. 22. Iceman by Chefman Slush. Ease. Slushy machine. Was $299.99, now $149.99 at Amazon. This machine turns juice, soda, or mix into frozen slushies and party drinks on repeat, with a tap that feels like running your own mini drink bar. Perfect for game nights or summer hangouts. You're saving $150, a cool 50% off, which makes staying home with frozen treats way more appealing than overpriced slushies outside. 23. Chef Man Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie. Was $139.99, now $79.99 at Amazon. This multifunction unit air fries, dehydrates, bakes, and even spins a whole chicken on rotisserie, turning dinner into a show. Digital presets keep guessing out of the way. You're saving $60 here, about 43% off, which is impressive for a gadget that lets you brag about homemade rotisserie instead of store-bought birds. 24. Qrevo Space Heater. Was $74.99, now $63.74 at Amazon. This compact heater quietly warms up chilly rooms fast, with an adjustable thermostat and safety features that don't make you nervous leaving it on. Oscillation helps spread heat instead of baking just your toes. You're saving about $11.25, around 15% off, which is a nice bonus for staying cozy without cranking the whole house temperature. 25. Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers. Was $39.99, now $27.99 at Amazon. These leak-proof containers keep leftovers from turning your bag into soup, and crystal-clear sides make fridge hunting way easier. Tight lids snap with a satisfying click that says, "No spills today." You're saving $12, about 30% off, which is great for organizing meal prep instead of playing mystery container every time you open the fridge. 26. Amazon Basics. Ceramic Space Heater. Was $22.99, now $18.09 at Amazon. This little heater is perfect for under desks or small rooms, giving you focused warmth without roasting the whole house. Simple controls keep it beginner-friendly, no manual required. You're saving about $4.90, roughly 21% off, which is an easy upgrade if you're tired of typing with frozen fingers all winter long. 27. Chef's Choice 15XV. Edge Select Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. Was $165.99, now $134.99 at Amazon. This sharpener quickly restores dull blades to a precise edge, so slicing veggies doesn't feel like sawing through cardboard. Multi-stage slots handle different levels of sharpening and polishing. You're saving $31 here, about 19% off, which is worth it if you'd rather fix good knives than keep wasting money on flimsy new ones. 28. Rowenta. Iron. Was $109.99, now $79.99 at Amazon. This iron blasts wrinkles with strong steam and a slick sole plate that glides over shirts and pants without snagging. A retractable cord keeps storage neat instead of creating a cable nest. You're saving $30, around 27% off, which is solid if you want clothes looking sharp without paying for constant dry cleaning visits. 29. Large 15-ounce potato ricer. Was $29.99, now $20.89 at Amazon. This sturdy ricer presses potatoes into fluffy clouds for mash that looks straight out of a restaurant, not a school cafeteria tray. It also handles veggies and fruits for purees. You're saving about $9.10, roughly 30% off, which is a small price drop for a big upgrade to holiday dinners and comfort food nights. 30. Niakasa Magic 1 Vacuum Steamer was $99.99, now $69.99 at Amazon. This handheld unit vacuums and steams fabric, helping freshen clothes, curtains, and upholstery without dragging everything to the cleaners. Great for quick de-wrinkling before rushing out the door. You're saving $30 here, about 30% off, which makes it an easy grab for keeping outfits looking crisp even when you absolutely didn't plan ahead. That wraps up our top 30 Black Friday tech deals 2025. Let me know in the comments which gadget you're grabbing, and if you found anything even crazier than the deals in this video. If this helped you save some money, smash the like button, subscribe to Top Gadgets now, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next round of price drops. Thanks for watching, and happy Black Friday hunting!